Tigernix Road Intelligence Suite. Tigernix Road Intelligence Suite is a fully integrable, Industry 4.0 enabled software suite. Forward-thinking road decision-makers use this solution to oversee roads, bridges, highways, and related infrastructure to ensure precision and excellence in one go. It deploys cutting-edge AI, IoT, digital twin, and immersive technologies to turn raw data into strategic foresight, enabling confident, real-time decision-making. With condition-based insights, criticality tagging, and predictive analytics, road managers can strike the perfect balance between risk, cost, and performance every time. Connect with Tigernix today to meet our digital transformation consultants by emailing us at info@tigernix.com or dialing +656 7606 647. Tigernix Road Intelligence Suite, your upgraded digital supervision for the entire road and transportation asset network.